Yo, what is up, y'all? Yeah, I did a POV video. I like these videos a lot. They're tedious to record. You get a lot of comments on like, why are you wearing that on your chest, this, that, and the other? Why are you recording behind the scenes? You're not famous. And that's kind of annoying, but besides that, like, I don't know. I love these videos. There's not enough on YouTube and everything like that. Go down below, hit that subscribe button if you're new. Leave a comment on what you would like to see. And of course, like the video. You know what I mean? I plan on doing a bunch of different stuff, more of these videos, podcasts. I'm doing a vlog when I go to Washington, so tune in for that as well. That'll be in about a week. It'll probably be out in like a month. I'm not gonna lie because it's a 2-week trip. So yeah, but further ado, go ahead and yeah, just enjoy the video. Sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and let me know what I can do better next time. Let me know what you guys love, and yeah, I appreciate all of you guys. Thank y'all so much. What'd you say? There's so many out here. Holy hell. Whatever the call is, let's move on and read topic. Okay? So if we cover it, make sure that we're doing every separate topic. Got it? Got it. All right, guys. Hey. Quickly, OD! Use the wide here, use the wide! That's fine. Malachi, behind you! Behind you.
Yo, so you guys have officially, if you're watching this, you made it to the end of the video, of course. So kind of recapping back, angles weren't the greatest, okay? First YouTube video. It's a work in progress. We're rolling in. It took me a minute to edit this. I edited this because this is a preseason game and it's the end of the season. Like my team the team that I shot for in this video is actually on their way to the championship game for the MAC, which is their conference. I think tomorrow or Friday, one of the days. But yeah, so that's the end of the season. So that'll be the last soccer game you see. But up next, we have baseball, we have football, basketball will be swinging around pretty quick. I actually have a lot of AAU stuff I'm working on currently, and stuff like that. So just kind of stay with me and, yeah, just kind of like explore, see like what I drop, see what happens. I'm not sure what I'm going for on this channel. Just trying to expand, throw out more things. There's a lot of videos on YouTube that I like to watch, but I can never find enough of. So that's always been like a big thing for me, is like I want to add to what I can see, but I also want to add to what I know. You know what I mean? So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe. New channel. Not going to be very many people watching this, unfortunately, but it's cool. So I really appreciate you guys. And if you guys have any pointers or anything that you want to see, please do go down in the comment section down below and let me know something. Let me know how I did. I mean, just kind of give me some pointers and everything like that on how I did, what I can do better, what's good, what's bad. And yeah, so thank y'all very much for watching. I'll see y'all next time.